Plywood has become a popular construction material due to its high strength and waterproof features. Plywood finds practical applications in kitchen cabinets, wooden floorings, walls and furniture. Due to a number of sellers and buyers, there is confusion connecting with the right buyers and sellers. Evolution of technology led to the emergence of B2B platforms. There are B2B digital platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India or Alibaba providing necessary interface with buyers and sellers. These platforms did solve the issue of middlemen and price issues to some extent. However, problems like trade monopoly because of a large seller, verification of sellers and trade mediators still persists. Identifying the issue, Tradology.com established its own platforms connecting global buyers and sellers seamlessly and in a transparent manner. The platform is cost-effective, time-saving and resource-efficient. Besides, Tradology.com also addresses the problem of payment security. Dive into the world of trade technology with Tradology.com. Tradology.com seamlessly connects 200,000 100% verified buyers with 20,000 verified sellers. Tradology.com has been growing rapidly with gross merchandise value in excess of 25 billion rupees. It provides a separate app for both sellers and buyers to facilitate trade in real time and on the move. The USP of Tradology.com is the negotiation platform that allows sellers to quote prices to the buyer in real time on a reverse bidding mechanism. The seller is able to quote prices while having 100% genuine market insight, while the buyer can see the whole spectrum of sellers and place orders after seeing the profile of participant sellers and negotiating with them through counteroffer mechanisms. Once the supplier accepts the counteroffer, the deal is closed immediately. Buyers and sellers need to furnish important documents like a letter of intent and complete the payment obligation. Seller receives the payment only after the buyer is in possession of confirmation of dispatch of the commodity. Eager for more information? Contact us at www.tradology.com.